Book 2, 8th week. Postures from previous weeks. 1. Salutation to Sun, Surya namaskar. 2. Lion posture, Simhasana. 3. Finger tension, Hastapawanmukta. 4. Tripod head stand, Garud, SALAMBA SHISHASANA, Garud. 1. Kneel down. Place hands on the floor on either side of the knees. 2. Bend to rest the crown of the head on the floor to form a triangle with hands. 3. Complete 1 to 2 breathing rounds. 4. Breathing in, raise body. Take small steps forward until the trunk is perpendicular to the floor and the legs rise off the floor. 5. Bend knees, toes pointing up. Breathe out. 6. Breathing in, slowly straighten the legs, toes pointing up. 7. Bend the right leg, passing the right foot behind the left ankle. The legs may be lowered with the thighs parallel to the floor. 8. Maintain posture for 3 to 5 breathing rounds. 9. Repeat on the opposite side, with the left leg bent and the left foot behind the right ankle. 10. Straighten legs. 11. Breathing out, reverse steps to come down. Slowly lower the legs to rest the knees on the floor. 12. Sit back on heels. Rest forehead on arms. Complete 3 to 5 breathing rounds. Never try to sit or stand up abruptly after headstands to avoid the risk of vertigo. 13. Relax in corpse posture for at least 5 minutes.
5 to 7, shoulder stand, unsupported, 1, 2, 3, Nirlamba sarvangasana 1, 2, 3. 1. Lie on your back, legs together, arms alongside your body, palms down. 2. Breathing out, raise legs towards the head. Place hands against back to support hips. 3. Breathing in, raise legs perpendicular to the floor, toes pointing up. Keep your chin pressed against the chest. Breathe out. Shoulder stand. 4. Breathing in, lower arms to floor. Nirlamba sarvangasana 1. 5. Maintain posture. Complete 2 to 3 breathing rounds. 6. Breathing in, raise arms parallel to legs, palms flat close to knees. Nirlamba sarvangasana 2. 7. Maintain posture. Complete 2 to 3 breathing rounds. 8. Breathing in, send arms behind head. Nirlamba sarvangasana 3. 9. Maintain posture. Complete 2 to 3 breathing rounds. Try to maintain the trunk as close to the perpendicular to the floor as possible. 10. Breathing out, send arms to the floor behind the back, lower legs towards the head. 11. Breathing in, slowly lower your back first, then your legs to the floor. 12. Relax. 8. Always follow shoulder stand by shoulder raising and shoulder rolling postures, Grivavartasana. Once the daily series is over, meditate for 15 to 20 minutes. Then relax for 5 to 10 minutes in corpse posture, Shavasana.